Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to accept friend request on GoWish account. So let's dive in straight into the video. Without further ado, open your GoWish application and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you've received a friend request on GoWish, you will need to first look for a notification at the top right hand corner. Tap the bell icon at the top right and you will be able to see all of the friend requests or any other notifications displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and tap on the friend request and tap on confirm to accept your friend request. If you don't want to accept the request, you can tap on the delete button. Soon after you tap on confirm, if you want to confirm the request, you will be able to add the person on your friend list. So that's how you can easily accept a friend request on GoWish. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.